Tiranish Dibaba of Ethiopia wins 10,000 meters gold, 30:20.76.
Ya urjiko magale turiyeko bukteko ya urjiko magale ifamto nakakorsa darbatamto nakarasasa benetun akka keransa mehta kansi farsa oge yudursitu asanyi dararto omni ke bakakada omto sikitatu asta ormamat allato enyuma kana ka kenjertu your mama. Chocolate shining star, hero of a peaceful one. Is the lady of the planet, plastic one like a bull. The brave just like a tiger, powerful just like a thunder. Wakayo nisi ume si ilale gamade dinkame samnike makansa wamame adunya irati goto mambe kame kan iraburaite the champion keti sinka bajar kate would si 15 Dalon nisi boda Fahana ke hordofu Koru siddhi fufu Kotu mange nafu Role model of next generation The smartest of our nation An African pride victory An woman of the world the story Being blessed by our God Being accorded by our land Namaho Tokoyon dibde Torian worki chimde fide Beijing gitti raji ojjete Moskotes uno dabalte Moskotes uno dabalte Dubarton addunyaa Makaken bonani Gahumsa Afrikaa Sirraati baarani Ormitonni kanke safi ala Anitin dirkame kuno la falala Confirmed as an invincible winner of double golden Beijing miracle Repeated in Moscow racing battle New record is done, you're out in the goal The golden lady guaranteed adequate Ashamed of opponents in and out